Okay, another update. We are looking at our FZ600 here, 1986. Now, I just wanted to make a point of saying we are absolute complete amateurs. We're just going by the manual. We do have some shop manuals for for the bikes that we work on here, and we're just noodlers. Simple stuff, and we're learning as we go. But we have cleaned this up. We have done a pretty good job, I think, of cleaning up most of the major stuff. It's actually looking pretty darn good. I've got this just preventing any debris from going in the carburetors. We've got the shock adjuster cleaned up. We've got the inside the rear panel. We've got a lot of the residual of the corrosion. Treated the wires with silicone spray, and just did a lot of intensive labor today. It's actually looking really good underneath all of that grime. So that's our update, and the next order of business, carb kit, the carburetor rebuild kit has been ordered, so we should see that next week. Get on to actually rebuilding those carburetors. Still going to try and get it started real quick, maybe tomorrow, maybe later today. But actually, no, it'll have to be tomorrow. The battery's charging, so tomorrow it is. And we'll give her a go maybe tomorrow. See you.